Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I am going to make a girl hacks for tops cover ups with this fabric. So this one is an elastic fabric that this one is from one of my crafting also. So I will be using this one. If you want to make this one guys, you can also use like not stretchable fabric, but this one is stretchable. What I mean is I am going to show you guys how it's gonna look like. So top cover ups means like when you're wearing like this type of clothes or tops, especially as girls. So we sometimes we cover our shoulder, and this is how it works. So I will make this one as a top cover ups. Okay, so this is how it goes, and keep on watching guys as I make a top cover ups. So this is just very easy, and you can also make this one of your own, so join with me. So what I do now is I will be cutting a little bit of this one and this big two pieces of just string. Okay, and now I am going to put it here like this one. Okay, and I will use a needle and a thread to sew this one. So I already have this one, both ends has this one. Okay, so now I have here a string, just put it here. I will just insert a string in here, both ends also. So the string is already here, as you can see, and this is how it looks like. And now I am going to wear it for this, like you're wearing a dress, you know. So it's here, and now wait, I will show you guys that on how to wear this one. So this is it now, and just do like this, very easy. And you know, so I already have a tops cover up for my spaghetti strap blouse, right? So this is it guys, I hope you like it. So this one is already covered, right? So this is it, and look at the back. So this is the back, just put it nicely like this. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoy, and please support my channel, like my video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and and you also can share my video if you want to, and you also can comment on the comment section below. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. So this is it. I can do it like this, or I can do it like that, whatever. So this is it, but the back is just this way. There's no need to, you know, wait. So this is just the back. This is just purposely like this one, and I tie it from here. I tie it from here, like on my nape here. So this is it. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Bye.